Okay, how to solve this? This is we can solve very easily using cross multiplication, right? Now, normally you have to get to mind, if you have two fraction between that equal sign, we can apply cross multiplication, right? Like this way. So let's rewrite it. Now here 2x minus 1 into again here 2x minus 1, and here 5 into 5, right? I will write like this way, 5 into 5. Now here you need to feel this is we can do very easily. If someone try to multiply like this way, 2x into this and minus 1 into this, and like this way here 2 and 5, it will get, it will get some, more time. So that's why there's a easy way for this, right? Here same thing, no, I mean 2x minus 1, again 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So that's why you can write here 2x minus 1 square, like this way here 5 square, and then you can apply both side square root, like that, to remove square. So square to square cut, square to square cut here. So that's why here you will get 2x minus 1 equal 5, right? That's the thing. So then after very easily you can solve, but the like a normal equation, linear equation, here 2x minus 1 into here, so it will be 5 plus 1, here 2x equal 6, and both side divide by 2, so your x value will be 3. That's the answer for x.